In this video, we're taking chicken Parmesan and we're putting on a sub sandwich and making the sub sandwich chicken Parmesan melt. Here's what you're gonna need for ingredients. Grated Parmesan, slices of mozzarella, butter, 1 egg which will be broken down to make egg wash, flour, panko breadcrumbs which I buzzed in the blender, chicken breast which I filleted down, and our sub roll. And I have a pot of hot marinara with some fresh basil in there ready to go. Alright, so standard breading procedure. You have flour, you have an egg wash, which is the egg mixed with water, and I have panko breadcrumbs, which I also mix my Parmesan inside the panko breadcrumbs. Salt and pepper, both sides of the chicken. Also season your flour. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Just give it a little mix. Chicken in. Make sure you get all the sides nicely coated. Use the opposite hand so you don't bread your finger. Goes down. I use my other hand and I bread. I'm gonna double bread this. What that means is after I get all this on there, I'm gonna dip it into the egg one more time and back into this dry mix one more time. Just gonna make for a thicker coat. Shake off the excess. Back into the egg, opposite hand again. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some olive oil in a pan. We're gonna go pretty generous. Make sure the whole bottom is coated very well. Want like a medium temperature on this. Drop our chicken in. We're also going to drop in some butter here as well for extra flavor. We're gonna cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes, nice golden brown each side. Chicken is done. Now we're gonna assemble. We're gonna take 1 spoon of sauce and just spread it across. You don't want too much. Chicken breast on top. Nice amount of sauce this time. Cheese. We're gonna go Parmesan on the other side. The top part, you're gonna take your mozzarella slices and you're gonna put those across. Make sure you're covering all the edges of the bread because we're gonna put this in the broiler and melt it all down, and we don't want our bread to burn. Just like that. Now we're gonna put this in the broiler, melt all our cheese, get some color on it, about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, look at that cheese, nice color, beautifully melted. For our final touch, we're gonna take some chiffonade basil and you're just gonna sprinkle it right on top. Look at that, beautiful. That sub sandwich is sexy.